Server reliability, uptime, and performance are hugely essential to your organization, so why aren't you doing anything about it? As always, make sure you like and follow this channel, connect with me on LinkedIn, so we can talk more about how data is impacting your business and how to make sure that you are set up for success. So, server reliability and performance. Why aren't they being prioritized? Usually, it's because you have a CEO, a board of directors, who assumes that maintenance is just sort of kind of happening in the background and you guys can handle that while also handling all of the projects they keep throwing at you, right? But you as a manager know that there is an old paradigm, right? You can the triangle, you can have things fast, cheap, or good, but you can't have all three. Now that you've grown in your role, the new paradigm is meeting deadlines, handling customer requests, and maintaining your systems, right? And almost always, your CEO, your board of directors, your other colleagues and other departments are pushing you to handle customer requests and project deadlines, and so maintenance has to fall to the side because there's just not enough brain power, manpower, time in the day to get it all done. So what do? Last week, we were at an organization that has multiple senior level DBAs who were still having performance and scalability issues. They were using one of our favorite diagnostic tools, SolarWinds DPA, and so all the signs pointed to this organization is supposed to be able to handle what's going on with the maintenance of their systems. But they're still having problems with slowness and crashing that were affecting their ability to grow. They were losing revenue, and they were not in a position to acquire more other companies that they wanted to because they couldn't handle the data input. So they brought us in. You might know this internally, but you might never have actually spoken the words aloud. Performance and tuning and reliability of database environments is its own unique skill set. There are dozens of subsets of skills that data engineers and DBAs have, and performance and tuning is one of them. And so if you don't have an extensive background in specifically performance and tuning or training specifically in performance and tuning, there's a lot of stuff that you just might not be doing right, even if it looks like you are. And then you have a great tool like SolarWinds DPA, and that tool is very intuitive. It's easy to use out of the box for any DBA, but there's so much more to it that if you don't have the right training on the tool, that you can't actually get all of the good stuff out of it because you don't know it's there. So, those are actually things that are very solvable. And in 2025, if you want your company to scale, if you want your databases ready to handle whatever is coming in the increase in users, the more data that you're putting into it, what you need to do is get the right tools and get the right training. If you want the right tools and training for your in-house team, let me know. If you need some extra assistance and want our experts to help assist you on your systems, we're here for you. Leave a message below if you'd like to know more, or shoot me a direct message, and we'll talk soon.